What are you going to do?
I'm going to do painting. Father's Day.
Okay.
I love my dada. My daddy is the best of everyone. My daddy is the best of everyone. He helps to play with toys, and he don't play. You know, he helps to. Daddy is the best of everyone. He plays with me with baseball. He plays with me sleep. And help me out to clean the house. And we help to play the sun. Daddy is the best of everyone. My daddy's the best of everyone. He's the best of everyone. My daddy is the best of. How to play with football and every night. He helped me how to build the shoes, helped me how to cook. He helped in drawing my homework and I paint on of the paint. You help me to paint on the superhero. He helps me how to do with the courage and storm. I love my dada. Thanks for watching our videos.